Hi everyone. In today's painting process I will share with you a new texture technique. By using textile in my painting, I combine the textile with crackle paste. This gives an interesting combination of texture in your painting. And it's so easy and fun to do. I start with the photo transfer. You always need a laser copy, and I'm using PowerPrint to bring it on my canvas. For my crackle paste I use Easy 3D Flex and gesso, but I have another video about how to make the crackle paste. And I use also the crackle paint from Deco Art. And here are the fabrics. I use stockinette, a gouache and paper decoration. And from Golden I use an extra heavy gel medium matte. For this I use a silicone spatula. For the colors I use the Bister black and brown, and I have the Pebeo Colorex ivory black, and the acrylic paint is from Ara, the Titan Buff. I start with one layer of the PowerPrint on my laser print copy and then let it dry. If you love this painting, I have a surprise for you later on in this video. First layer of paint, let it dry and then give it another layer. When you have two layers of paint, time to start with the photo transfer technique. I bring on some PowerPrint on my canvas, but also again on my print. Make sure there is no PowerPrint on the backside of your paper. The backside of your paper needs to stay clean. Now bring it onto your canvas. And push it down to your canvas. Use a spatula. Make sure that the paper makes good contact with the canvas. Clean your spatula every time you push it down to the paper. With your fingers you take away the paper. It's easy when you spray a little water on the paper. This is the easiest way to take away the paper from the print. When you wash away all the paper, then you can clean it with a baby wipe and then give it another layer of the PowerPrint to protect your print. Now we begin with fabric. I make a mix from the Golden extra heavy gel medium matte, and I mix it with a little bit paint. The gel medium makes the paint more thicker, so it becomes more like a paste. Take little bits of fabric with different kind of texture in the fabric. Put it on your canvas, and with the gel medium you stick it to your canvas like this. Make sure you don't use too much of the paste. You want to keep seeing the texture of the fabric. I have a surprise for you because I've made a free ebook with all the techniques I use in this painting for free to download. I leave a link below, And you can also download the tree I use in this painting to use in your own paintings. This fabric is called stockinette. It is from Powertex. This is a paper decoration, beautiful to use in your painting as a texture, and is also from Powertex. As you can see, I only use little bits of this. I've made some Crackle paste from the Easy 3D Flex mixed with the gesso, but I have a lot of videos where I show you this technique, so I don't show you the mixing process, but here I bring it on with my fingers. But the mixing process I will also put in the ebook that you can download for free. If you like this video of my painting process and my techniques, please subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment. You make me very happy if you will do that for me. You can see that I make my Crackle paste as firm as almost like a clay. The color I use is ivory black from Colorex from Pebeo, and I spray some water to let it run. I love this color from Pebeo because it is almost sometimes a little blue instead of the black. When I take a good look at my composition, I notice that the tree is too small, so I'm gonna do another one on top of this. I made a bigger one, so first I'm gonna bring a layer of the paint again, and I'm going also with my paint roller a little bit over my texture. That makes my texture pop up because of the light I bring into the texture. To make beautiful texture, it's not only important to play with the texture, but also play with the value of color, like the dark color underneath and the light color on top. I bring some brown into the texture. That's the bister from Powertex. And again, of course, the water. You can see I need more layers of paint on the background before I can start again with the print. I bring some Crackle paint into the texture. That's from the Deco Art. I love this texture paint. It is transparent and it gives a little and small crackle. Well, my new print is on the painting, and you can see I have a little hole in the tree, so I paint with some black to cover it. And now I'm gonna end up with the golden extra heavy gel medium, just to give some extra texture around the tree. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to download the free ebook with all the techniques I use in this painting. And please leave me a comment, and I hope to see you in the next video.